Got it here, another junk door. I paid around $200. Give it or take it. Boom. So what we got here? A whole bunch of cool stuff. Emergency tool. I know, let's scan it on a cell phone, see how much it's worth. Scan the barcode with the eBay up. Oh wow, this is $10 item already. Okay, next looks like one of those Macy's pearl jewelers. It says $25, so we are already at $35. That's cool. Kind of like a vintage lighters. 2007 limited edition. You know what? Nothing about this lighter tells me it's a zipper, so I'm not really sure. Ooh, coins. More coins, more treasure. I love that. Olympic pins. You know what? Pins are somewhat collectible. Kind of barcode. Wow, $11, $10. That's cool. What about unsold? So we press sold. Not sold, but around $10 right here. Ooh. That's cool. Elk Ridge. That's one I looked it up before, around $60. That's a high quality. Not beat up or anything. Just a little bit used. Wear and tear, maybe $40. Oh wow, much collection and a bunch of other stuff. Cool. Chips, plain chips. Okay, what else is in here? Rolex. Let's see. Nope. This one said made in Japan. So pretty cool stuff. Nothing super expensive. This one kinda look vintage. Oh wow, look at that. Bowling pin and a billiard ball. Okay, we'll look at it close up. Packing. Whoa, more coins. Let's find out what's inside here. Looks like some kind of multi-tool over here. Bottle opener. Cool. M-Tech. Nothing valuable. Okay. Ooh, case. This brand is actually quite collectible. Pretty bad quality. That's bad. So, value just crushed. So, some kind of pin. Those are like a temple. Is that what it called? Collectible ones. Sewing. They're close. I don't see if it's silver or not. Morochi. I wish it was more like a Gucci. It says sterling silver, size 9. They cut off the price, obviously. It's just something Walmart over here. Cool. It's probably like $15–20. Oh wow, check out this. Cufflinks. It's a Buffalo nickel coin. The front and the back. That's kind of unique. Let's see what's in here. Baseball cards. I wish I knew more about it. Obviously, you want to look at super old stuff. All this is new stuff, so nothing super valuable. Matches. Looks like some kind of jewelry. Generic jewelry, but looking pretty cool. Couple more generic jewelry rings. This one right here says $9.25, but I would have to test it. There's a lot of fake jewelry out there. Okay, now the good stuff. This is the treasure that is probably gonna be most valuable right here. Okay, we have a silver bar, GM. This is like at least $24–25. Depends how expensive silver. It's up and down. Copper Panda. That's cool. Copper round pounder. Definitely don't have this one. This one right here about $15. 1951. So nothing rare. $1.50, $1.60 each if it's silver. Before 1964, and they all. This one 1963, the newest. This one's about $5 quarter, 1956. But 46 Standing Liberty, hard to tell the date. This one right here 1927. Bad quality. The dates are not key dates, so about $5 each, 1934. But I like it that there's older dates here too. Okay, another pile of coins here. Barber quarter replica, 3/9 fine copper round. Those are nice, like 50 cents to $1. This right here, like a little metal. Whoa, what is this? You know what, this is what I was worried about. Whenever you buy junk doors, you never know if you're gonna get the real ones or not. Especially it's kind of hard to see because you got a picture of a pile of stuff, and this is a real round 3/9 silver buffalo round. This is beautiful. It's just like a bar except a round. It's not money or anything. You see, it just says a fine silver 3/9, 1/3 ounce. That's it. They have no dates or anything. So it's just like a bar in a round form with a beautiful picture on it. It's about the same price as the bars, about like $23, $24. And this right here kind of cool. It's a 1/10 of an ounce silver rounds too. So we need 10 of these ones to make an ounce. The premium is a lot higher on these ones if they're in a good quality. So you actually will get more money for this 10 of this than one of this. Same thing, you'll be paying more for 10 of this versus one of that. So it's kind of nice to get this kind of stuff in a junk door. Bunch of junk silver. What we mean by junk silver, it's these coins. This right here on $5. Whoa, no way. Large cent, 1 cent would have been a lot of money. 1844, can you believe the date? And it's a good quality. It's so old. It's a 1 cent but large from 1800s, 1844. Wow, that's an old one. But somebody put 2 holes to it, set it up as a necklace, and now it's ruined a little bit. Mercury dime, Ukraine. I remember those. I had to use those all the time when I was a kid. 936, more 90% silver, 10 cents. There's the world currency. I'd have to check into it. Could be silver, could be not. Buffalo 1934. That's a good stuff. I like really old coins. 964. Oh, this is pesos and 1972. That could be silver. I'm not really sure. It looks like silver. I'd have to check the dates. I don't know much about it. V-nickels, 1900. Beautiful, good stuff right here. More V-nickels, Mercury dime. Obviously, chances are you're not gonna have key dates. 1964. Kind of like a beautiful coin right here, you see. But the problem is there's so many of them. It's not valued more than junk silver. Honestly, didn't expect that round to be real. It looked kind of fake on a picture, but it is. As long as you get a reputable seller, you can get some good junk doors like this one. That was a lot of fun.